What's going on, guys? Adam again, back with Atomic Garage. Yes, and we've got something special for you. Something special in this box right here, coming up in this video. So guys, here it is. It's that black box. It's something in here that I have been wanting to install on my car for a while. And I was cheap, and I found one on Amazon Prime, in fact, for like 26 bucks. I'll throw up the screenshot of the product, let you guys take a look at it. But this is an oil catch can. So let me open it up and show you what all comes inside. So guys, a reason that I am inside of the car is because this weather is back and forth. 1 minute it's warm, 1 minute it's cold, and now it's extremely windy. So the audio would be very buffered and all that stuff, and I didn't want that. So we'll do this in the car, and when we install it, put you on a time lapse and let you see how I'm gonna do this. So let me show you everything that comes inside of the box. All right, so we got this here, which is the oil catch can itself, which looks like a Toyota 4-cylinder filter or something that comes on it. Looks like you got a little dipstick tube. Probably doesn't work all that great. This one I chose, and it does not come with the AN fittings. These are just regular little nipple pieces. Got a bag of these as well with some hose clamps, different sizes that I'll be using. Smells like cutting oil and machined metal. That's what it smells like. Also, it comes with this crappy plastic tubing, and from everything that I read, these things collapse pretty easily, so I don't think I'm going to be using this at all. So let me show you what I will be using in place of this. So I went to O'Reilly's and I picked up some of this heater hose. Reason why I didn't go with anything else really special was because this is an oil catch can. Yeah, oil will be flowing through it, but it's not a constant flow, so I don't have to worry about this hose expanding and all that other stuff that comes with completely being soaked in oil. So I'm not really worried about that. But this catch can is actually going to work out pretty good. But one thing I do know is that with cheap oil catch cans, oh, that's got a nice seal on it. Oh, you hear that? One thing I noticed is that a good oil catch can will come with something to collect it for the oil vapors to actually catch and hold on to. This is just empty. There's nothing inside of it. Now, there's this little piece here that can be removed and taken off, but this is going to collect some of the oil that's inside of the air, but not a whole lot. So what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be stuffing some steel wool inside of it. So let me show you that now. So this is the steel wool that I'll be using. Clearly I won't be using all of it, but just enough to fill it, but not to completely stuff it packed full. So that way when the oil comes inside of this oil catch can, the air comes in and then back out. The oil gets caught onto something that it will stick to, which will work good for the steel wool. And then it'll go right back out and back into my intake. Now, why would I need an oil catch can? Well, when I pulled off the intake 1,000 times, inside the intake had oil in it, which means oil is being mixed with the air, and I'm burning some oil within my air, which is not as good. So a good way to fix this would be an oil catch can. Mine is a bit cheaper. There's a whole lot of better ones, like some Mishimoto ones and more expensive ones. But I think for what I'm trying to do, this is going to work perfectly. Plus, I just always wanted one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys where we're gonna put it, and we'll get started to putting it on. So guys, I hope you can hear me fine. It is pretty windy, but anyway, so where I'm going to be putting it is going to be right here. Now, this comes with the data link connector, whatever, for OBD1 was connected right onto here. But since I don't plan on ever really using this, and I don't have the electronic equipment to tap into this and use it. I'm going to stuff it right here under the brake booster and all that good stuff, and we'll see about placing it right here. So without further ado, let's get to it. So the oil catch can kind of looks like it is at home right there. I still have this bottom part to go ahead and put on, and I got a packet full of the steel wool, and then we'll start running our lines. This out would be going to here, and this end would be going on this side as well. So let's get to it. Guys, we got one hose ran, and I must say it looks really nice tucked in back behind there. So now I have to run this one over to here, and that's going to be a little aggravating, but we'll make it work. So I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll show you everything when it's done. Well guys, I think I got everything situated and sorted out, and I think I got it looking quite good. So take a look. Well, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this install video, just a little bit to show you what we got going on with it. I'm pretty excited about what results we're going to get from this catch can. So in the next few videos down the road, I will go in-depth review on this and tell you what I like and what I don't like about it. And there's every loud car. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.